Let's have a comparison between Darktable versus Lightroom. Darktable is a free open source photo editor focused on raw photo editing and non-destructive workflow, whereas Adobe Lightroom is a paid professional raw editor with cloud syncing, organized workflows, and industry standard tools. If we talk about the price differences, then Darktable is free forever, whereas Lightroom requires a subscription. If cost is important, then Darktable is the clear winner. If we talk about the editing tools, then Lightroom is very user-friendly with great color exposure, masking, and heating tools, which is easy to learn. And if you talk about the Darktable editing tools, then it's equally powerful, raw editing tools, but more complex interface and less guided workflow. Lightroom is the easier for most people. Darktable is powerful but takes time to learn. So which one should you choose? You can choose Darktable if you want powerful editing for free and don't need cloud features. And you can choose Lightroom if you want the smoothest experience, cloud sync, and easier organization and don't mind paying. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.